How to create the most beautiful looking feline or cat eyeliner look. This is a very simple tutorial and it's beginner friendly too. You can do this look, I promise you, in under 5 minutes. And if you're ready to get into this tutorial, let's get started with the video today. Let's start with the basic step of applying a concealer or an eye primer to the eye. I'm using the Trinny London Santa Concealer and I'm going in with this eye fan brush from Manisa Beauty. I'm applying this all over the lid. This is basically to get rid of any discoloration and form a strong base for our eye look. Apply that to the lower lash line so that it looks blended in. Now we're going in with the Pat McGrath Perma Gel Eye Pencil, and this is the only product you need. Make sure it is sharpened to this level as we do not want it to be too sharp as well. The first step is to apply that to the upper lash line. You can see I'm applying this really closely to the lash line because we don't want a very thick line either. This tutorial will be work friendly as well. So if you're in a rush for work, you can do this if you like. This is how your eye should look, and now with the finger, want to pull out the wing. It's that simple. Now with the Morphe into Ariel A18 brush, we're just going to try and blend that out slightly. We are not smoking the eyeliner, we're just blending it into the upper lash line. Keep this close to your lash line as well. Blend out the wing slightly. Apply some more product to the inner corner of the eye. This will give the feline effect. Apply slightly on the lower lash line too. I'm using the shade brown because it doesn't look very harsh and it is friendly for all events, even if you're going to work. Make sure both corners are meeting each other and your eye should look something like this. Curl those lashes. Make sure you're taking some more time here because this will elongate your lashes. For mascara, I'm going in with the Queen Musea 2053 mascara, and if you see this wand, it gives you length and volume too. I have linked it in my description. Apply around 2 to 3 coats of mascara on your lashes. This is only a recommendation. You can even go with 1 coat. Take your time while applying it. Apply it precisely to the bottom lash line too. This will open out your eyes. And this marks the end of the tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something from this tutorial. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial, which is coming up on Monday. I hope you're enjoying this series. I look forward to seeing you soon. Don't forget to leave a comment. See you. Bye-bye.